So, binigyan tayo ng isang administrative order ng dating Pangulong Ramos na nagsasado na ang Palawan ay magkakaroon ng $2 billion for the next 20 years. That was in 2000, nagkaroon kami ng isang paraan na magsisecuritize ng pondo from Malampaya. Ito ang tinatawag nating bond quotation o international bond quotation. So doon nakikita namin pwede na makapagsimula ng development ang Palawan sa ganong initiative. Ito na, pumasok na rito yung sinasabi nating hindi pagkakaintindi ng ating mga political leaders at the time. Kasi gusto na nila, kung makapag-raise na ng $100 million, gusto nilang ipagpaparti-partiin yung pondong yan. So doon nagkaroon ng simula ng away sa royalty yan. Ito nga ang gusto kong isubmit sa ating mga kababayan. I think this is very good issues that we have to submit to the people of Palawan. Malampaya will last for another 20 years. We have to keep that in our mind, 20 years, and there's still about 500 billion. We expect if we get the 40% royalty. But because of the Supreme Court case na nakapending doon, we don't know kung ito ay pinipending lang ng national government o hindi. Because the national government needs money. Kung pinipending ito ng national government, the more they can get all the money. Suffering pa rin ang Palawan. So I think we have to now give this issue to the people, whether we go now to Pinoy and ask them, okay, usap na lang tayo. Kung bigyan nyo kami ng 20%, we will accept it, we go now. That's what we would like to, what we need that to consultation to the people of Palawan. That's what I'm going to do.